monument dedicated to the third king of Bhutan, His late Majesty King Jigme Dorji Wangchuk. The inside paintings and statues provide a very rare insight into Buddhist philosophy. The huge 50-meter tall steel statue of Buddha Dodonma commands the entry to the Thimphu Valley. The huge 3-story throne will eventually hold several chapels, while the body itself is filled with 125,000 smaller statues of Buddha. The tiger's nest is one of the highlights of the visit to Bhutan and one of the most sacred places and a pilgrimage that every Bhutanese dream of accomplishing. The monastery perched on the steep cliff seems impossible to reach, but once there, you are tempted to rest, contemplate the view and enjoy the forest. The tiger's nest owes its name to the 8th century saint Padmasambhava, who, according to myth, visited here mounted on a flying tiger, also known as Guru Rinpoche. He subdued the local deities and converted Paro to Buddhism. He is said to have meditated in the cave. On a hillock below the Metsina, Punakha Road is the yellow-roofed Chimilakhan, built in 1499 by the cousin of the Lama Drukpa Kunle. In his honor, after the Lama subdued the demons of the nearby Dochula with his magic thunderbolt of wisdom, a wooden effigy of the Lama's thunderbolt is preserved in the Lakhang. A childless women go to the temple to receive a warm blessing or empowerment from the saint. Punakha Zong is one of the most beautiful zong in the country, especially in spring, when the lilac-colored jacaranda trees bring a lush sensuality to the zong's character towering whitewashed walls. This zong was the second to build in Bhutan, and it served as the capital and seat of government until the mid-1950s. All of Bhutan's king have been crowned here. The zong is still the winter residence of the Dratsang, official monk body. Guru Rinpoche foretold the construction of Punakha Zong, predicting that a person named Namgyal will arrive at the hill that looks like an elephant. When the Zarabdrung visited Punakha, he chose the tip of the trunk of the sleeping elephant at the confluence of the Mochu and Pochu as the place to build the Zong. Chula Pass is located on the way to Punakha from Thimpu. The beauty of this place is further enhanced by the Druk Wangyal Chortens, 108 stupa built by the eldest queen, Mother Her Majesty Ashi Dorji Wangmo Wangchuk. The pass is also popular spiritual place for both locals and tourists because of an important temple that is located on the crest of the Chula Pass. Her Majesty Ashi Dorji Wangmo Wangchuk has achieved a fine blend of history and mythology in the construction of the Druk Wangyal Lakhang to honor His Majesty the 4th Druk Gyalpo, Jigme Singye Wangchuk. The past and future appears to merge in the details of the Lakhang that tells the story of a supreme warrior figure whose vision pierces the distant future.